I said it.
And I'm going to get my gun license, finally.
Oh! Oh!
Can't believe they're making
Bless you.
Stop stealing my thunder.
That was terrible what happened to you.
It's from our old printer. You just have to tear up the holes on the side. We were supposed to hit 100,000 ages ago.
Oh no!
No.
What can be done about hiccups? Nothing!
The internet said nothing. We tried. We tried.
The internet said to just serve you with bananas for breakfast. That's it. You're done for.
Whole bananas. You ready?
Burger. You're cute.
You ready, funny face?
Linda, I think the news is here. I wonder if they heard about our 100,000 burger.
Did anybody tell you how little and tiny you are?
Yeah, I am.
Because you're very little and you're very tiny. You're very little and you're very tiny. And you're very popular.
Mm-hmm.
You're very popular.
See how tiny you are? Look how tiny you are compared to this copy of Fight Club by Chuck Palahniuk.
And look at that. That's extra special tiny. Oh no. Daddy, do something.
Hiccups, go away! Hiccups, I command you, be gone!
Oh.
Hiccups, get out of here!
Maybe that'll fix it. He knows something you don't.
Yeah. Hiccups, put your hand in your mouth!
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
You're okay, Johnny. You'll stop hiccuping someday.
Never. 18.
You get your diploma and you throw your hat in the air and then I don't hiccup anymore.
On the good side, you'll be on TV. You get to be on TV. The boy who never stopped hiccuping. Actually, I think that already exists,
Yep.
except it's a girl. Alright, you gotta come up with a new thing, kid. You're already old news. Keep working on it. Keep working on it. You're very cute. You're very cute. You're very cute. You're very cute. Daddy, fix it.
I'm gonna take a break and eat some chocolate covered strawberries. In the midst of all my fixing.
You're very excitable. You're very excitable.